Hey y'all, want to see how I did these napkins for my sister's bridal shower? The wind is blowing. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did these custom napkins for my sister's bridal shower using this and sublimation. So I got this pack of napkins from the Dollar Tree. It's in the wedding section. It's 20 in a pack. I don't know why I thought that other pack had 18 in it. I don't know, but it's 20 in a pack for $1.25. So what I did was I printed out what I wanted the napkin to say on sublimation paper. So I printed off, it says Shaquita's bridal shower. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my napkins on my heat press like this. I'm going to do 4 at a time. Do 4 at a time. I'm going to put my image for the saying I want. I'm just going to put it face down. I'm not measuring this. I'm not like trying to make sure it's on perfect or anything like that, because it's just a napkin that people are going to throw away afterwards. So I'm just turning it upside down like that. I am going to get a piece of parchment paper to lay on top. And I am going to close my heat press down. So I have my heat press set on 385 for 30 seconds. So one thing I noticed when the ones I pressed earlier, I have Condi sublimation paper. I'm not sure if I don't have my settings right or if it's just the paper. I normally use Asa, but there's a lot of ink left on here. So what I'm going to do after I press these, I'm going to try to press one with this one, because this is one I've already used and I've pressed already. So I'm going to try to press it again with this one and see how it turns out, because why waste paper? Why waste, if I could press it again, I might as well. Like I said, it's just a napkin that's going to get thrown away. All right. So, and there we have it. Yep. They're stuck together. So I probably shouldn't do 4 like that. See, that's a lot of ink left on there. So what I'm going to do is, what I'm going to try to do is use one of these again. Let's see how it works. So this is one of the ones that I had just used. So I'm going to put that on there like that. And I'm going to cover it. And I'm going to let it down. Again, I have my heat press set on 385 for 30 seconds. My heat press came from US Cutter. It's a 15 by 15. I've had it a few years now. I can't remember the price, but yeah. So that's that. So if I could use these again, that's gonna save me a lot of paper and a lot of ink, because again, these things, and it turned out pretty good. It's supposed to be silver. I guess I should have chose a different shade of silver. I just used the silver color that they had in Silhouette Studio, but I guess I should have put in the little code to get the right kind of silver I wanted. But again, it's just napkins, something that's gonna be thrown away. So I ain't gonna put too much thought into it. And that turned out pretty good. It's not as dark as this one. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but it's not as dark. But again, it's just a napkin that people are going to throw away. So that's that. That's a quick and easy addition to a bridal shower, birthday party, whatever. Again, I got these napkins from Dollar Tree. You can probably sublimate on any white napkins, I would think, or any light color. I don't know. This is my first time doing it. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.